How to log into Bank of America account. If you want to log into Bank of America account, simply open your default web browser in a device. Search for Bank of America account login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says online banking login, user ID. Then you'll be taken to the login page of the Bank of America account. And in this sign-in page, enter your user ID in the user ID section. Also enter your password in the password field and tap on login button. Then you can even tap on forgot your password if you want to restore your password. Here you'll find other options like forgot ID. You can tap on those as well if you have forgotten your ID. And there is an enroll now button too on the bottom right side of the screen. And you can tap on it if you want to be registered for this account. And in this way you'll be able to log into Bank of America account. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.